Hi there, this is Joseph of Joseph Forex Tribe, and welcome again for another lesson. And today is our day 4. So how you going, guys? So I hope na on the past 3 days you have learned a lot, and this week is all we will discuss all the foundations first. No? So before we dive in to the actual execution of this program. Alright? So sa day 4, pag-usapan natin yung benefits of forex affiliate marketing versus trading risk. So bakit tayo mag-affiliate marketing compared sa magte-trade tayo sa forex? So pag-usapan natin dito yung mga advantage and disadvantages. Alright, so let's dive into it. Alright, so dito ba tayo sa benefits ng forex affiliate marketing? So number 1, no or less trading capital needed. So basically, once you set up your account, so you have to register the deposit, and you can have your affiliate link, so you can start promoting it na. So but dito nakalagay kasi dito is no, meaning walang capital, but I highly suggest at least minimum, no, so you can experience trading, kasi you cannot sell a product if you cannot test it. So kaya nakalagay dyan no or less, meaning less, at least minimum, no, at least minimum you come up with the minimum deposit dun sa requirement or ng required deposit ng broker. Alright, so at least mayroon tayong minimum deposit, at least maliit lang, no, not trading too much capital, just to experience. Alright, so siyempre kung may produkto ka, dapat bago ka maging seller, maging pusher ka muna. Alright, so that's it. So you need at least less or minimal capital to start with, no, dito sa if you are doing affiliate program na ito. What else? Consistent income. So why sinabing consistent income? Kasi the more you get more referrals, the more you get kahit yung market nagda-down, 'di ba, kahit duguan yung market, and you get more referrals, and even they trade, you will also get rebates. So that's possibly, no, kahit na hindi na kayo nag-uusap ng mga na-refer mo, but they still continue using the broker's link and the broker platform itself, and then they trading, then you get rebates from their trades. Alright, so ito, no market stress. Siyempre hindi ka focus dun sa trading, so you focus on more getting clients, getting referrals to avail the forex services that you are offered. Yesterday we discussed it, so you have an idea what to offer. Alright, so hindi ka naman kailangan ma-stress dyan. We just focus on the marketing side. Multiple income streams, like what I said yesterday, we discussed a lot of services. So kung si client nag-avail ng copy trading, then you make rebates from them. Si client nag-avail ng signals, nag-avail siya ng i-install and everything, no. So malawak ang forex industry, that's why treat this as your business. And last is benefits is scalable. So what is scalable? Kasi ang kagandahan nito is dala-dala mo siya, no. You don't need to have a physical product just to sell something. So this is more on digital product. So kaya scalable siya, sa phone mo lang, sa PC, laptop, you can do the business. Alright, dito naman tayo sa risk of forex trading. Kapag ikaw naman yung pag pinili mo yung mag-trade over sa mag-affiliate, but this program is more on affiliate, no. So rest assured na more less of trading. I'm not saying na hindi tayo magte-trade, so mag-trade tayo pero minimal lang. Alright, so risk, so high capital requirement. So syempre ang sasabihin natin, you can start with low capital. Syempre in layman's term, ang logic talaga niyan, syempre kung maliit yung capital mo, maliit din yung income mo. So if they want a big capital, or big income, they need to have a big capital. That's the rule of thumb. For example, ang capital niya is $100, pero ang lot size niya is 0.01 lang. Kung mag-TP yan, ng ano lang, maliit lang, like $10 lang. So, $10 lang. Ay, kung malaki capital mo, like, 20,000, tapos 1 lot, to mag-TP yan, $100, $200. Tapos, ilang pips lang din, 10 to 20 pips. So, that's a different thing. No? So, pag magte-trade ka, the more money you put in, the more chance of you get profit, but the more chance of also losing it. So that's the risk of trading. Alright, so ito ang market volatility. So dahil nga you trade, no one can predict the market. So even yung mga pro traders, they're alam nila na ang market is sobrang volatile yan. So, hindi natin alam kahit tama yung mga analysis nila, mga fundamental, technical, tama naman. Pero kung talagang hindi ayon sa strategy nila, tatamaan din sila ng losses. Alright, so dahil nga na-loss, so you experience emotional stress. So, back then, I saw someone na nag-trade, so they using EA. So, yun, dahil hindi kinaya yung stress, they kill himself, no? So nag-suicide siya. So almost million kasi yung talo niya. So yun lang. So medyo kung hindi mo kinaya yung ganong stress is you're not for to trade itself. So why not focus on more on affiliate marketing rather than trading if you are kind that of person, kung ikaw yon. Pero kung hindi naman gusto mo mag-trade talaga, then you can go for trading. Wala namang problema. You can do both. You can do on trading, you can do on affiliate marketing. Alright, but this time, yan, part siya kasi siya ng risk ng pagte-trade, no? Yung emotional stress. So may experience mo yan kung ikaw gusto magte-trade ka, but for me kasi ako rin naka-invest na rin na sunugan, no? 500, 300,000, almost 800,000 yung na lost. Pero sum up at total ko naman lahat, so nag-gain din naman, so overall nabawi ko na rin naman yun. And let's focus now today sa affiliate marketing para hindi na tayo emotional stress. And syempre sa forex we always put disclaimer, so kaya pag may nakita nag-offer ng mga guaranteed profits tapos forex yung front, make for sure those are scams. So sa forex, no guaranteed profits, and kayo po na nandito, I always tell you na laging yung ipakita yung disclaimer. Sasabihin na may talo dito, hindi siya guaranteed. Ito yung profit ngayon, maganda yung takbo. Kumikita ng consistent profit every month, like 1 to 2 years, pero hindi pa rin siya guaranteed for future results. So always give the disclaimer. Alright, so that's it for today, and congratulations for our day 4, and see you again tomorrow for another video. So thank you, bye bye, and God bless.